In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Adobe Creative Cloud. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you have no trouble accessing your Creative Cloud account, whether you're doing so through a web browser or the desktop application. To start, you have two main options for accessing Adobe Creative Cloud. You can either open up your preferred web browser and head over to adobe.com, or if you've already installed the Creative Cloud desktop app, you can launch it directly on your computer. Both methods are straightforward, so choose whichever is most convenient for you. Once you're on the Adobe website, turn your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a sign-in button waiting there for you. It's usually quite visible and should be easy to spot. Meanwhile, if you are on the Creative Cloud desktop app, the sign-in option can be found either on the top bar of the app or nested within the app's interface. Look around until you see the sign-in area. Now, you're going to need to enter the email address associated with your Adobe account. If you have more than one Adobe account, say a personal one and another for your company or educational institution, make sure you're selecting the correct one for this sign-in process. This will ensure you're accessing the correct suite of Adobe tools tied to that account. Moving on to the next step, if you've chosen to access your personal account, enter your password in the designated field. It's crucial to remember each character accurately. Passwords are case-sensitive, so you want to avoid any mishaps by double-checking it before hitting enter. However, if you're logging in through a company or school account, you might not use a password in the traditional sense. Instead, you could be required to use your organization's single sign-on method. This is a secure way to authenticate using your institutional credentials. Finally, after you've input all the necessary information and completed any additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication if your account has it enabled, you'll successfully enter your Adobe Creative Cloud account. From here, you're all set to start accessing all the valuable creative tools Adobe offers. And there you have it, a seamless and concise guide to signing into Adobe Creative Cloud without any hassle. I hope this video was helpful and you're now all set to explore, create, and manage your projects using Adobe's robust suite of applications. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.